Nakikisabay siya sa'yo.
No, I didn't see anybody there. As I call you back. Oh, that's great. Wow. Excellent.
When did you ring it to do?
Oh, let's talk. I have so many questions for you. So very, very many.
Well, it was much easier then. Over 50 years ago, I was employed by my government to develop what was to be the simplest of cars. Simple to drive, even easier to maintain. A people's car, we came to call it. And though it was just the cutest little thing, but after the war, the American military heard about our work, and they insisted I come over here to discuss it with them. So, I came. I didn't know. I was young. And they kept me for days. They were so insistent, so loud, so...
American? Yeah, I know. Please, carry on.
Well, they wanted me to tell them all about the car we had made.
We want you to tell us all about this car you've made.
Oh, well... So, I told them about my work. And they revealed they wanted me to build them their own car.
We want you to build us our own car.
But they seem to have confused my people's car with some sort of fantastic car that was a people.
The people's car.
They had this crazy thought that my car was somehow alive. And they wanted such a car for themselves.
We want one for ourselves.
I took them seriously. I didn't know. I was young. So I worked. I attempted to fabricate a car that didn't exist, but that they thought I had already made. I stalled for years while I toiled, until I realized the design of the car did not matter. Only the metal that it was made from did. So I tried every alloy, every amalgam, every conceivable compound. Then, one day, an accident happened. My most prized possession, a photo of my beloved Elsa, fell into the mix. Now, I realize this is not very scientific, but I believe that the powerful feelings I had for her were somehow transmogrified into the metal itself, making it possible to create a living car. But I knew that it would be used for evil, so I decided to hide him.
Now listen, you. We want this living car.
I told them I had failed. Once they were convinced, I snuck the little car out and set him free. Later I learned that he had found a good home with a man named Douglas, and that he had been racing to great success.
So that's the secret. Amazing. Doctor, how would you like the chance to create another?
Another little car? Of course, but it would be impossible. I don't have the facilities, you see.
Please feel free to use mine.
You don't understand. I would need the ability to forge steel, to fabricate sheet metal at will. I would need a manufacturing capability of a severe nature.
enough for you, Doctor?
Not additionally possible. I would need a fragment of the original metal from the little car himself.
Well, I don't suppose this would do. It's original, it was a gift.
But there's still one thing. Perhaps you would have something of your own to enhance the mixture. A framed photo of someone you love.
Someone I love. Yes, of course. Rupert, get that photograph of that person that I love so much. Now, Rupert. Doctor, you'll have that and more. Now, can you build the car or not?
Good. I think I can.
Rupert, you didn't actually have to go and... Well, maybe we could sneak that into the mix somehow, eh, Rupert? In fact, perhaps we could sneak quite a bit into the mix. Rupert, wake up my engineers, they've got work to do. Those other fools think their little car's so lovingly special, we can't see mine. Wait, it's not just me.
We have a serious problem.
What's happened?
Something got into the mix. Something wrong.
So, did you build it?
Yes, but something is horribly wrong.
So you said. Now show it to me.
We must destroy it.
You'll do no such thing. He's beautiful.
It's amazing.
He certainly is. Now, I'm beginning to think it would be best to eliminate the competition. Eliminate? I can do that. Good. Do you want to come along? No, I shouldn't be there. Better I don't have any oil in my hands. What about, Dr. Stumpf? Hasn't got a clue. Cut him loose. Sorry, little car. It's the end of the road.
Herbie? Herb?
I do to you? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? It'll be okay. We'll fix you up. Hang in there. Hang on, buddy.
Does he need some kind of service? Get a mechanic in here, Rupert. He's tired of being cooped up in here. He needs some exercise. Of course. A machine of this caliber needs to be run and run hard. Get my driving gloves. Now! Whoa. Take it easy there, my little friend. Take it easy. Yeah.
You gonna slingshot past him?
Nope. Something a little bit bolder. Rupert, prepare for modification number 3.
Number 3?
You can run, but you can't hide.
Simon, I don't think that...
Lock onto them, Rupert. Lock onto them.
What's he doing?
I don't know, but I bet you we're not gonna like it.
Rupert, fire. What is he up to?
That.
Hold together, pal. If you can.
And that, as they say, is that.
This is about to get interesting.
Pick a side, Alex.
Well, how American of them. They've become a drive-through. You see, Rupert? This is going to be all too easy. Please.
Boy, that car can really move.
Yeah, well, he's being driven well.
Herbie's just holding back a bit. Any time now he's gonna strike.
Yeah, well, any time would be just fine, Herbie.
just gets to be so tiring all the time. Women always throwing themselves at me. And again, who can blame them?
You got all that money. Charm and wit. You have a lot of really nice clothes. Now that's more like it.
Rupert, perhaps you underestimated them. If you will, hang on.
They're gaining on us.
Where is he, Ronnie?
You're right.
I got him.
How dare you block me, Cooper?
Excellent move, my friend. You ready for this?
Oh, he wants to trade paint, does he?
They're passing us.
Rupert, I believe it's time to reveal the first modification.
Hey, what is it, Roddy? Hey, what?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Hey!
Hey!
He's gonna kill her. Do something.
I'm trying.
Back off. Back off.
This is where we say ciao.
Now that's racing.
Herbie, are you okay? Oh, man.
Oh, Hank! Hank, what are we gonna do?
We can probably fix it, Hank.
It's not your fault he did this. We can get back in.
Yeah.
Probably.